Hey everyone, this is Amber Simmons from ambersimmons.com. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing another installment of our Cricut Design Space 101, and today we're going to be talking about the weld feature. The weld feature can be found right here on the right hand side on the bottom in the toolbar, right next to the slice feature and the attach feature. So the weld feature, as you can tell from the picture, kind of glues two shapes together. So let's give it a try. Let's open up a couple shapes and we'll do a triangle. And let's see. If we unlock our shape, we can change it up a little bit. And there we go. Then we can go to the size and make them both the same size. There we go. And center them together. Okay, so now we have our two shapes and they are the same size. We're making a little house here. And if you select the two of them, you can go to the right hand corner and click weld. And once you've clicked weld, it makes it one shape. As you can see over here in the right hand toolbar, we now have one layer that says weld result. If you are making a project and you do the weld feature, use the weld function, then once you click save, it is permanently that way. I can still undo it and there'll be two pieces, but once I've clicked save, it will stay one piece. So just be sure that it's something you want to weld. Another great way to use the weld feature is with text. So let's say we want to use a scripty font. The letters tend to be separate on script fonts. So the way to get them together is to ungroup them, manually move them. You can also change their spacing. And once they are the way that you would like for them to be, you can select them all and weld them together. This puts them all together in one layer and it'll give it one continuous cut. If you do not weld them, you will have individual letters cut right next to each other, even overlapping each other on your vinyl or whatever project you are working on. So the weld feature is a great way to make your own new shapes and continuous script text. I hope you found that helpful, and if you did, I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And please check out my other Cricut Design Space 101 videos. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.